Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the surface and applying the very first thin coat. Clean the panel with isopropyl 70% and dry for 10 to 15 minutes so paint bonds properly. Once done, sand the spot with 600-800 grit to scuff gloss and wipe with a tack cloth to remove particles. Shake the Tesla paint kit for 2 to 3 minutes, then test spray on cardboard to confirm spray pattern and color before moving to the car. You continue by building mid-coats slowly to eliminate orange peel and runs. Apply 3 to 4 thin passes, holding the nozzle 6 to 8 inches from the surface and waiting 60 to 90 seconds between passes so solvents flash off. Make 50% overlaps on each pass for even coverage and avoid heavy wet layers that sag. Also, control the environment. Aim for 50 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You finish by applying 2 light clear coats and letting the panel cure for 24 to 48 hours before light handling. This ensures hardness and gloss. If you see small defects, wet sand with 1,500 to 2,000 grit and polish with a fine compound to restore shine. If orange peel or runs appear, wait for full cure. Then wet sand the area smooth and reapply a thin clear coat. This fixes texture without sacrificing color match or adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.